All right, welcome to video number 3 in our series about how to buy a house. So by now, you should have started your research so you know that you can interview different agents. You know that agents are not free to have. You understand how agents get paid. And now we're going to talk about the next step, which is getting pre-approved for a mortgage. So I'm going to link something down in the comments here, and it's my home calculator. So the calculator is going to tell you how much house can you afford. But more importantly than the house calculator below, can't talk today, more importantly than my house calculator below is talking to a lender to make sure that you can qualify for that amount that you think that you can afford. Sometimes buyers think that agents are being a little pushy when they tell them, well, I can't show you a house until you've talked to a lender. I promise you it's not your agent being pushy. It's preventing you from walking into a house and falling in love and then finding out, oh my gosh, you actually can't afford that. Zillow likes to tell you that your payment is going to be $1,200 on that house, but in reality, that doesn't include taxes or insurance or possibly flood insurance or different things that can occur like an HOA. So it gets you really excited for a house thinking, oh my gosh, I can afford this, and then come to find out the payment's actually going to be double that. It also doesn't always factor in the current interest rate. So talking with a lender is the best place to start. Now, do you start with an online lender, a local lender? Do you talk to your realtor's lender? Do you talk to your mom's lender, your cousin's lender? What kind of lender do you talk to? It really depends. There's a lot of really good lenders out there. But just like real estate agents, it's important that you interview them. The interest rates are going to be pretty well the same for most of the lenders. There might be a little bit of a difference. But if one lender is telling you that they're going to be like a whole % lower than somebody else, I can guarantee you that you're going to pay for that. You're going to pay for that rate. They're just not going to give it to you. That's called a discount point. You pay for that though. Other lenders can give you the same thing. The other thing is that if you walk into a house and you fall in love and you don't have your pre-approval letter, you can't do anything. Like literally nothing. You can't make an offer on that house. Well, you can, but it's not going to go very far without having your pre-approval letter already done. And unfortunately, pre-approval letters sometimes take a little bit of time, especially if they need to dig into your profile a little bit. So really, if you fall in love and it takes a couple days to get your pre-approval done, the house that you fell in love with could actually be gone by the time you get your pre-approval. So it's important to do that before you go out and start looking at houses. Now, what if you're one of those people out there and you got cash in hand? What do? You don't need to be pre-approved for a mortgage. Well, that's okay. I can still help you. And you're going to get what's called a proof of funds letter. A proof of funds letter is just something from the bank that states you have enough in your account to purchase a home in this amount. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That doesn't take very long to get, but I still am going to want to see it. Another agent is still going to want to be able to see it before you go out and look at houses. Because if we went and showed houses to every single person that said to us, oh, I have cash, well, we'd be running around a lot for people that really don't have cash. So that is step number 3 in the process. There's a lot of steps left to go, but I hope you're learning something as you follow along with this process. I'm not even going to cut that or edit it out. You're just going to know that I'm real, and I sometimes stumble on my words. It is what it is. It makes me human. Anyhow, if you like my videos, if you like to learn what I have to say, please like and subscribe below. I would love for you to follow me. And remember, even if you're not in Nebraska, if you're not in my area, I can still help you. I can find agents across the United States, across the world that can help you with the knowledge, with the education that you need to find your dream home in your area. So please feel free to reach out. You can message me, you can call me, you can email me, whatever the best way is. My information is in my bio. This is Ashley Nicole with the Ashley Nicole Realty Group and NP Dodge Real Estate, and I'll see you in the next bit. Bye-bye.